Hey there, my friends. Coach 𝐸𝐻𝐸 here. What do my blueprint students say about working with me in $25 one up? Well, that is what I'm going to show you today. And I think it's very important that you know what my blueprint students are saying about working with me in $25 one up, because I am their mentor, showing them the actual blueprint on how to use a work from home system that I've used to make over $19,000 from home. And you can do exactly the same. Okay, so this is for people who want to know what people are saying about my mentorship. So before I even jump into that, I want to just show you a little bit of proof. On Saturday, I made two $250 commissions, which is $500 if you didn't catch that in one day. And it's pretty awesome. So I am teaching my tribe how to do that exact same thing. So this was a square commission that came in, was $250. And then I had another one. It was a Cash App, and it came in from Cornelia. So shout out to Cornelius for positioning themselves for $250 commissions, and that came in. So that is what I'm showing my tribe, how to do just that. So let's go over what they're saying about my mentorship, because I do believe in showing people how to actually use this work from home system to be able to do what I do, not just give them something and send them on their way. So Corbett said, when I came to the Make Money Online world, I was jumping from company to company, catching the money, right? She was just, what we call like shopping around for opportunity or program hopping. She said I was posting links everywhere, basically spamming links, spamming people, going to different groups and hoping and praying that I get a sale. I was about to give up, and I know that was Corbett before when she reached out to me. She told me that, right? I was about to give up and stop trying because I was tired of working, but now seeing results. I got tired of struggling and not seeing positive results, so I got myself a mentor. That would be me, right? My mentor showed me the correct way to get people and help them be successful, and that's the culture that I'm establishing in Boss Empire. Is we plug our people into this blueprint and show them how to have success, right? She said, my mentor showed me the correct way to get people and help them be successful. Not only did she help me, but she also gave me the blueprint to be successful online forever. And that's literally like a lot of people will teach strategies to people to teach them how to basically have success with the company, but they won't teach them marketing skill sets that they could take and they could be successful online forever. They can go on to another company. They can start their own company and use those same skill sets. And that's what I show people how to do. Okay. So, she said, not only did she help me, but she gave me the blueprint to be successful online forever. Now today, I am happy and grateful to be able to wake up to $250 commissions and not struggling to, get people to see the big picture. So she's doing great. Yesterday we did a coaching session live. It's on my channel where I broke down for her how to get $2,000 a month. These are benefits that I give to my members who come in at my elite packages. Okay. That said, Terrence also said, I'm in the training and I look forward to. He started the training. He's looking forward to getting deeper in the training, and he said, yes, people need more than the training that 25 1-up supplies, and that your training is comprehensive. And he said this alone is absolutely priceless. Now, mind you guys, I did not ask him to send me this. He sent this to me, okay? So, that's it. I do want to say, I believe that the training that $25 1-up provides is comprehensive. I just go above because I know what I want people to learn that I learned when I got a mentor. Okay, so I think it's important. So that's why I give people additional training where I walk them through. And he said this alone is absolutely priceless. I hope most $25 1-up members who have your blueprint do join all your Facebook groups. This is golden. You could have kept this to yourself. Thanks for sharing this. And he sent that to me the other day. So this is what some of my blueprint students are saying about my mentorship, about my blueprint that they actually get. And that said, I want to actually go over some of the bonuses that I provide to actually set people up for success. Okay, so I give right now, if you're platinum or above, you get access to this blueprint very soon. I think November 1st, or before, but it looks like it will be November 1st. Only my diamond members and above will have access to this blueprint. Okay? So, this blueprint, okay? When you come in, the first thing that I'm going to give you access to is step by step how to set up your system, okay? I'm going to walk you through everything that you need to know, and then I give you marketing strategies, okay? And these aren't like hypothetical marketing strategies. This is what I actually do in my day-to-day business. So you're going to get my 19K blueprint so that you can do the exact same thing, okay? So you're going to get my daily to-do list. You're going to get my Facebook blueprint, copy and paste ad strategies, how to create a Facebook group. I just finished this today, the live streaming mastery, where you're going to learn how to leverage live streams. Today I got 3 leads off of a live today, and these are like highly qualified leads. I also have a Facebook Live success guide, which gives you step-by-step what you need to know about having profitable Facebook Lives. Engagement mastery will be coming soon, which shows you how to also leverage engagement to get massive amounts of people seeing your posts, and that leads to more leads, okay? YouTube mastery, I go over how to do what you're watching right now, how to leverage YouTube, and get leads every single day for free, right? And these are highly qualified leads, people who are interested in work from home opportunities, so that you're not chasing people, okay? So I go through exactly how to do that. I also give a closing script, okay? So that you know like what to say. And people say, oh, I would like more information. You're not like, what do I say to this person? Well, there it is. There's the closing script. And then the last thing is down here, because I just did not want to rearrange the whole membership site. But yesterday, I put this together, and my team was like, oh my God, this is the most amazing thing in the whole training. I put together a fast start video where I literally, hold on one second. Okay, sorry guys. So, this is the most amazing part. So I did a fast start video where, I walked them through a 7-day fast start, posting guide. And what is that? You're like, well, what is that? Okay. A lot of people are afraid to use social media. They're afraid to post. They don't know what to post. I literally walk you through a 7-day fast start posting guide. And on top of that, and it gives you what to post, okay? And I give you a video to watch before you start posting on exactly how to leverage that. And here's the thing. You can use this over and over again, week after week after week, and know exactly what you should be posting on social media to attract people to you, okay? And that's that. So this blueprint altogether, it gives you an actual total package blueprint, all right? It's not like, oh, one tactic over here, you tried it by yourself. Here's the thing that you need to know about marketing, on just marketing in general. You need at least 2 to 3 lead sources, okay, that you're working in combination. The 2 that I'm leveraging with my tribe are Facebook and YouTube. And what we're doing is I'm teaching them how to lead everyone who asks for information, whether on Facebook, YouTube, it doesn't matter where, to their email list. They're building their email list, right? These are real marketing skill sets. They're learning how to build their email list. And they're learning to do it in a way that's going to be fun and unique to their journey, to their story. They're going to have fun. It's not going to take a lot of time. I actually surprised a couple of my members because they were like, wait, so that this is only going to take 1 to 2 hours a day? And I'm like, yeah, that's it. And you're on your way, and you're constantly building an audience. You're constantly building leads, and you know what to do to be able to generate sales within your business as you are consistent with this process. All right. So that's it. If you are not in my tribe and you would like access to the blueprint, you can buy this. So let me know if you would like access to it. And actually, you know, this blueprint can work for any company as well. If you are looking at joining $25 One Up and you're looking for a tribe and a culture of people that are committed to learning the skill sets that pay, which are marketing skill sets, you're ready to learn these skill sets, apply it to your business, be consistent, and go into the most profitable season of this year, which is now until March, is one of the most profitable boom seasons in network marketing. So the people who are doing the work now, planting the seeds, being consistent, when March comes April comes, they're going to reap all the harvest of those multiple 4-figure weeks because they did the work now. They built the audience now. They learned the strategies now. They applied the strategies now, right? And that's just how it goes. Okay? So that's it, my friends. Make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video, my friend.